Alright my friends, so this is the final part of your marketing system, and what we're going to do in this video is take the funnel builder and then we're going to connect it to our autoresponder, and it's really simple to do. I'm going to walk you through it in this video right now. So when you get into the funnel builder, you're going to see the back office, which is going to look something like this here, and this is my back office. And what you're going to do is go up here and go to account settings, and if you click on account settings, that'll open up in a wee second. So after you click on account settings, we're going to go to something down here where it says, let's see, down here, and it'll say email, it'll say, here we go, integrations. So you want to go to integrations, this wee one here under setup, and you'll click on integrations. So what we're actually going to do is grab a little key, and we're going to go and paste it in here so we can get these two things talking to each other. Now it's here up in the top right corner, add new integration, and you just want to click on add new integration. So once we do this here, you're going to, I'll explain in a second what's going to happen. So what we're using is ConvertKit. So you'll scroll down here and you'll see ConvertKit, or you can type it in here and search for ConvertKit. And if you click on ConvertKit, you can go click on the ConvertKit API, and it's going to ask us for the API integration key. So what we're going to do here is type in the name of our integration, so it can be ConvertKit Auto RESPONDER. You can call it whatever you want, ConvertKit Autoresponder. Now we're going to go into ConvertKit next and grab the API key. Now you can see here, when we go into our back office of ConvertKit, yours will look something similar, and if you go up to your name and you hit the wee drop down, you'll see, if you come down here and go to account settings again, go to account settings, and it's going to take us to the account settings, and from here we're going to grab the API key. So you can see from here it'll say API key. So what you want to do is copy this API key, right click copy, and then you're going to want to paste that in there and hit add integration. Boom. Now it says up here, I already have an integration for ConvertKit API. I can edit it, so I already have that integrated. But once you do that there, that's the final step for day 3, my friend. And this is really how we're going to get these two tools talking to each other, so that when someone comes to your landing page and opts in, automatically, you don't need to do anything. It's going to go into your email autoresponder, and emails are going to start getting sent out on automation. So I hope you're excited and follow this wee step and integrate your two tools, and hope you're excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow's a big day, and I'll see you then. Peace.